Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost. Get it fast and free shipped to you. All you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out fast so you could ship this to you fast. I'm not sure where this is coming from, but I'm about to find out what's inside. And where do we open it? Alright. I think I got it. There we go. So, I'm about to find out what's inside. There we go. Uh-oh. Alright. You got something. Gotta give it a shake. Oh, come on. Come on out. Don't be shy. There we go. Alright. We don't need that box anymore. We have here battery cam. Whoa. You works with her, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Very nice. And it also came with one of these. SanDisk 16 gigabytes SDHC card. So this should be cool. Test it out, give it a good run, and see how it goes. This would be a good thing to protect your home with. Your office. I think it might be waterproof. That'd be better. I think this is more for inside. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Something new. Everything is out of the box. LITMOR. Alright. LITMOR it is. Got the USB cables in this one. A nice long cord. Oops. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, we got more goodies in here. These like mounting brackets. Yeah. Got the screws. Oh. Come on out, don't be shy. Oh. Little sucker, come on. There we go. Got a little mounting bracket, so maybe this is waterproof. We got the screws right here. Bada boom, bada bing, and empty. Manual. Read before use. Oh boy. Optional sticker screws. Which way is English? Oh, I think it is solar. Oh, do not point the camera towards the sun. So it is outdoor, so indoor, outdoor. Battery, slide, charging point, micro SD holder. I'm surprised it doesn't tell what to look up for an app. Very vague instructions, but it might be a QR code. How do we? LITMOR battery cam protects your entire home when you're away, inside or outside, day and night, rain and shine. Camera, oh, where's the waterproof? 0.4 gigahertz. Video res is 1080p. Color night vision. Digital zoom. two-way talk. Okay, so I got all the bells and whistles. Now, is there an app for this? Might be, just gonna have to search it in the App Store. I'm gonna use my iPhone. Oops. And I'm gonna type that in. LITMOR. So, there's the App Store. Apps. Search. LITMOR. LITMOR. Yep. It's under the App Store, LITMOR. You'll see it right there. I'm going to download it. Oh, I hope I remember my password. So many different passwords I got to remember. Boom. Got it. Alright. We're going to let that download and do its thing. I'm going to plug it in. Remove this plastic cover. Remove this plastic shield. And another one right by the camera lens. This is a nice one. It's like a nice long snow globe. Oh yeah. Alright, where do we put the USB? That is the next question. Where is the USB go? Probably back here. Alrighty guys, I got it opened up. I had a phone call, sorry about that. Yeah, I gotta rock and roll now. But thank you guys for watching today. Hope everyone is having a good day so far. It is a new month, guys. We are in June. But right here is really easy. You just gotta take this off, pop it. I'll show you guys how to put this on. It's already flashing. Here's the inside, the QR code. And there's that. And I'll show you how to take it apart. It's really easy. Took me a second though, but figured it out. So we are gonna open that app up. Excuse me. I'm gonna open the LITMOR. Where are you? Where did they go? LITMOR. Search, open. Okay, allow. See, you set it up. Alright, get started. Enter your name. And enter your email. I'm gonna pause you guys. Alrighty guys, we got it all set up now. Got it downloaded, ready to program. There's the USB also goes through there, but you gotta take that part off, pop it off. That'll be the last thing we'll do. I just gotta find where the SD cart goes. Aha. Underneath the batteries, right there. Kind of looks like a phone. So gotta slide it in. I think. Oh, no, lift up. Pop it in. Oops. Very careful. There we go. Like that. Close the lid. You hear the click. Lift up. Boom. Okay, so now we put batteries back in. Which way do they go? Alright, I got them. Okay, so you're going to take this cap right here, give it a little twist, the glove on, make it look decent. There we go. Kind of like Boba Fett's thingy he has, like his atom bomb or something like that. Forgot what it was called. Detonator. Huh? Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Gotta line it up. Dang. Now we got it. Hip hip. Hooray. Alright, see, nice and there's a lock button, if you guys can see. Right in there, he's got a twist. There it goes, now it's locked. So you gotta line it up with the grooves right there. That's ready to roll. Rock and roll. Okay, so USB slot. We gotta somehow pop this thing out. Okay, 1 second. Alright guys, I got that ran through. So like I said, I'm probably going to be using it indoor, but I just want to show you guys how to put it through that hole, and then just to charge it, which should last for a while. With those batteries, should be good to go for a while. Alright, let me get this glove on, and then we're going to program the phone app, because it is time. Got everything ran. Got that still going. Yep, see? Still flashing. Oops. There we go. She's flashing. Alright, now. Okay. Yep. QR code. Okay, so now I gotta do that again. Oh, I can't. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got it open. See, there's a little QR code. He's got to scan that one. That's where the USB goes also. So I'm going to zap her. Enter your device name. You can hook it up to your garage too. You can have it somewhere in your garage. That's another good spot for these. Kids' room, outdoor by the windows. So, I mean, really cool, easy to hide. I'm gonna call it home. I don't know what to call it yet because I haven't decided where I'm actually gonna put it. But outside is all hooked up, so I got enough cameras. Okay, press. I was gonna tell you little steps to do. Press and hold the reset button. Reset button is right there, down here. So I'm gonna take that off because I don't need it right now. Take that off. It says for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There it goes. Now it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi password. So make sure you remember your passwords. I got some of them written down, but man, so many out there now. It's like, good lordy. Alright, it's going to send sound waves. Well, kind of like a transformer, dude. Sound wave. Do 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 do. Any second. We should have liftoff. Yes. Green light is a go. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. That's what we like to see. This should be connected. Boom. That's what we like. Success. Success is always good. Okay. Uh-oh. Don't want you to see me, so we'll zoom in. You could check out. There's my name. Hello. Live. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, this is nice. You can flip it too. Have it that way. Do 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 do. Dang. Continue. So we got battery full, memory full, or not memory full, but fully usable. Look at that. Boom. This is nice. Okay, I'm going to put this together. We're going to do it together, guys. Take this. Close it up. Make sure you line it up with the arrows. Right down there. The unlock and lock. We've been saying that a lot this year. Unlocked. Locked up. Locked down. There we go. Oh. There she goes. She is locked and loaded. Then you put this thing on. Boom. Oops. This is the way to go. Definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, if you want this fast shipped to you, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, and you buy it now. And then they'll ship this to you fast. If I could close this little dude right here. Come on. A little toughy to squeeze back in that little slot, but this is nice. But that's what it looks like with the lid on it, or the cover. Really cool. So definitely check them out. Might want to get a couple for you guys yourself. We got Father's Day coming up, so you might want to buy him some security to watch his car in the garage and all that good stuff. You name it, this will be a good home security system for you. And it's really affordable price. So all I gotta do is click the link, check out, continue, and you'll have this in no time. But yeah, look at that quality. Really nice picture. You can take pictures, you could talk to it. Let's talk to it. Ooh. Hello. 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 Whoa. Okay, that's enough of that noise. But this is a nice camera, guys. Check them out. LITMOR on Amazon Prime. Get it now before they're gone. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.